Hello people, I hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to make best out of waste from newspaper. Let's see what all things are required. First we require newspapers or the ad items that you get at home. We also require 2 sticks or skewers in the case that I've taken now. We require some paint brushes. I took 3 paints, yellow, white and gold. I've also taken a scissor. I took some beads which were left from my son's birthday, and then there are some of the gems. And mostly the craft that we are going to do, we are going to use a noodle strainer, and then I took some thread. Let's see how we are going to do it. First we are going to take a newspaper and we are going to cut it into half. So let's go ahead and cut it into half. Then we are going to go ahead and cut the smaller pieces again into half. So we have 2 smaller pieces here, as you can see. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take a skewer or a stick and we are going to roll them. Keep on rolling them till you get to the point that all the newspaper is done. Then you take your glue stick and glue them. And then pull out your skewer. Once you pull out your skewer, you should be able to have a newspaper sticks like this. I have around 40 of them, so I've already done 40 of them. Let's get started. So let's take the noodle strainer. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the newspaper stick that we made and we are going to roll it on a finger like this, and then we are going to go and attach it, make a twist around on the like this. You might require the second one, so you try and do like this. You put them together. Either you can use glue, or here I am just doing it. And then you put a glue and you make a circle. See to it that it's tight. So we did it for the first round. Same thing we are going to do here for the second round, and then the third round down. So let me go ahead and do it. So we are going to put another, since 2 are not enough, we are going to make a second circle. And then we are going to go ahead and glue this together. In the same way we are going to glue the third one. So if you see, I have 1 circle, 2 circle and 3 circles. So we have 3 circles over here. Now we are going to take another stick of the paper and we are going to glue it to the first, second and third. So I see that I require only the half of it, so I'm going to go and cut it. This is, if you see, all of these are removable. They have not stuck there. I've just used to hold the shape. So we are going to go and ahead and we are going to put put a strip like this. So if you see, I have one string over here. We are going to go ahead and we are going to put one here, one other side and 4 of them and make the structure fixed. As you see, I have put the 4 paper sticks at the 4 sides. Now you should be able to remove the structure from the strainer. So once the structure is removed, you will see that it looks like this. So now what we are going to do is we are going to take the smaller pieces of the sticks and we are going to glue them and fill all the places that are around. Let's see how it looks. This is the one that is ready. If you see, I have glued all the lines together. Now I went ahead and I made the second one, 2 of them. So what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and color them. As you can see that I went ahead and I have colored both of them white. I would be also giving them a golden color. Then while they both are getting dry, let's go ahead and make the covering part of this one. Now to make the covering part, we take the roll that is inside the tissue paper and we take the newspaper sticks. So we take the newspaper sticks and we go around this tissue paper roll. We go around and stick it and make a circle, and we keep on going round and round and round. Again here, if you see, this roll is just to hold the side, otherwise you can easily remove it. We are going to hold it and we are going to go round and round and keep on sticking this. we have already done the second one, so we go ahead and put the third one, and we go around, round and round. Till you see that we have reached to a certain point. Now once we have reached to a certain point, we are going to go ahead and we are going to pick our shape that we have done, and we are going to test it whether it fits or no. Yes, it fits. So we are going to take this out. If we are going to go ahead and we are going to color this white, and we are going to stick it here till that is getting dry. Let's go and attach the both sides together. So we take both the sides now that they are dry, and we go and attach them together. Now to attach them, what you do is, first you go ahead and you tie a thread here, and then use the glue gun and attach them. Now if you don't want to attach them, you can just use this as a fruit basket or anything with the base on. If you are going to make the lantern with me, I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. Now also this half can be used as a lampshade, but we are going to today make the lantern, so that's what we are going to do. Let's stick it together. So we went ahead and we put both the parts together, and now that we have our both parts together of the lantern, we are going to go and stick this here. Now once this is done, you can pretty much use the lantern as it is, and I'm going to show you how it looks. And if you want, you can go ahead and put this here and make it, you can use the beads, you can use some of the gems that you have, or it's good to go the way it is. Let me show you how it looks.